Hi, Ollie from Boat Tours again. So today we're looking at this Princess V50 from 2022. So here we are on the bathing platform, fully hydraulic, so this goes all the way down for your tenders, your jet skis or swimming. And then this is one of the upgrades. We've got this huge garage here with the upgraded Williams jet tender hoist system. If you follow me up further, we've got this massive sun lounger, sunbed, and then the huge U-shaped seating. Gives it amazing space for socializing. So here on the port side of the boat, we've got these huge aircon systems. So this is the upgraded tropical spec, so up to 40 degrees of heat. We've got the grill, the sink when you want to cook, and then we've also got the opening top fridge. And just to the left of that, we have the ice maker. So here we are at the helm station. So we've got the Volvo Penta 620 IPSs, we've got the docking system and the joystick, we've got the bow thruster side power, we've got the upgraded Marine touchscreen navigation equipment, also access to the Seakeeper. So we've got a Gyro 6 stabilizer in this boat and lots of other equipment as well. One of the key features here is this electric roof. Now let's take a walk into the accommodation. So this boat is the 2-cabin version. We'll show you both cabins. To start with, we were in the saloon. We've got these two stools here, another U-shaped seating, Samsung TV, and these blackout blinds. So here we are in the forward cabin. We've got this massive double berth here. It also does split off to make 2 singles. So these will slide from left to right as well. Another Panasonic TV here, and we've got access again to these heads that you also have access from the saloon. So separate shower, toilet there, sink, and then ample storage. Here we are in this galley. So we've got a hob here, extractor fan, microwave oven, really nice sink, and a massive fridge freezer here. Here we are in the owner's cabin, full beam, massive. We've got the island berth here, storage with drawers, and then the owner's ensuite is just here. Looking forward on these side walks here, straight to the bow, you can see this massive sun pad. We've got drinks holders, we've got access to the forward cabin and escape hatch, and then we've also got an electric windlass for the anchor. So this is probably the biggest and best spec Princess V50 built. We've got the gyro stabilizers, we've got Seakeeper 6, we've got the Williams jet tender garage with the recovery system. We've also got the sirens monitoring system for the whole boat. If you want to have a look at the rest of the spec for this boat or want to arrange a viewing, then this boat is ready for immediate delivery with Bush & Noble, and you can have a look on their website at bushandnoble.com.